welcome back to my channel. It's me Sumana and I hope you all are doing great. Wedding season is here and this year so many weddings are happening around us. My cousin sister also get married in this month. Now in today's video I share few wedding hacks which help you to survive this wedding season. Now let's begin. First I start with the hairstyle hack. In wedding we are allowed to wear ticklies, but the problem is when we are walking or dancing it's moving like this. It's so disturbing, I know. So I have a solution for that. We all have sellotape in our house. Just cut the small piece and fold the two ends and join it like this. Now keep it at your forehead under the tickly and see the magic. Also there are one more tape available in the market which have the both side glue. You also can use it. But remember, always take this type of transparent tape. Now you can enjoy your dancing and tickly stay its place. If you not have any tickly or have a golden one but you need a silver one, don't worry, I have an idea. Just take your outfit matching earring like this one. Here I take my silver earring, remove the upper part, then take a black thread or any thin chain, then simply attach with the earring. Here I use a black wire because it's easily fixed in the head. You can also do the same thing with any pendant. If you not want to wear tickly and look different from the others, I have a plan for you. Just simply side braid all your hair. Now I know it not looks wedding appropriate. Okay, wait, I show you how you make it. Take a long chain and few U-pins. First of all, enter one U-pin through the chain like this and now keep it at the start of the braid, then twist it in the braid and fix the end with the U-pin. Now again took some U-pin and fix the chain so that it does not move and ready your beautiful wedding hairstyle in just 2 minutes. If you not have this type of long chain, then get any real flower or any decorated flower and just make a bun and put the flower on it. If you want to learn bun hairstyle, check my those video. I already shared so many on my channel. Hairstyle with flower looks very pretty. Then if you don't get flowers, don't be sad. Use your bracelet or any bangles like this. Put it on the bun and see it looks so amazing. Just try it once and you're gonna love it. Also you try this type of big pendant with U-pin. It looks very nice with low bun hairstyle as you can see in this picture. Now let's try your jewelry hack. Oh no, bangles are too tight. Now what I do? If you have the same problem like me, use this hack. You just need a plastic and then you easily wear your tight bangles without hurting yourself. Next, if you not have this type of ethnic belt, took your handbag's chain and wear it as a waist belt. And ready your own ready-made belt. And now let's go to the wedding and showing your thumka. Next hack for the bindi lover. A small little bindi instantly elevate your whole look. But sometimes we not found the same matching bindi. For that you gonna use your nail print. Just color it which color you need. If you want to wear a choker but you are bored to wear the same choker again and again, use this type of hand jewelry. Take a thread like this and just tie it with the hand jewelry. Now ready your own DIY choker. Then I make one more choker with this anklet and the same process and ready my silver choker. In the same way, you gonna make different type of neck pieces with using your available jewelry. It looks so beautiful, anyone can't guess the trick. Also, you don't need to spend a lot of money in the wedding jewelry. Nowadays, mathabatti are in trend and it's all over the internet. I don't have anyone, so I make it for myself with this neck piece. This neck piece already have the same design, so I just wear it as it is at the head. If you not have the same type of neck piece, you all have to do take a earring and fix it at the middle of the neck piece and you gonna rock it. What? Next hack for someone who love to wear big earring like me. Like this one, my favorite earring, but I don't wear a lot because it's too much heavy. Again, use the tape. Just take a small piece and fix it at the back of the ear like this. And wear your heavy earring through the tape. Try it once and you feel the difference. Now I can enjoy my dancing. So that is it for today's video. Hope you find this video helpful. If easy, don't forget to give a like. Also share this video as many possible. Comment down which one is your favorite hack in this video. Don't forget to subscribe for watching all my upcoming videos. I see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.